Hi everyone, this is Deepak and with me this is
Aryan
and this is
Abhishek.
so we are here for unboxing of our very first and excited drone and the details will be given by Abhishek. So here we go for unboxing of our drone. Let's start.
As you guys can see, the model number of drone is HX750 and it's quite popular in Indian market. Now we are going to open the box, and from the box we get a remote and a battery. Now there is one fun fact that the remote is not the infrared one and it's the radio control one, so its range is quite good. Now look at the remote. Here in front you can see the on off key. It's on, it's off. Now in the left you get the throttle of up down and trimming left right, and now the right throttle is for movement of the drone, and there are some 8 buttons which are used for different purposes like one key return and many other functions, and we get 2 more buttons at the top. The left one button is for speed changing of the drone. The drone supports 3 gears. I means 3 speeds are present in the drone: first speed, third speed, first speed, second speed, third speed. And the right button is for flipping the drone in 180-degree rotation. Now let's move on to the drone.
Well Abhishek, it's quite interesting. So can we go to the next step?
Of course. Now we are going to open the box, and here the drone comes out from the box. You guys can see. So now look at the drone. It looks quite interesting and good as well. So now in my right hand there's the battery, and now we'll connect the battery to the drone. So now let's keep the box down, and we are going to connect the battery now. The battery, when the battery will connect, the lights will start blinking. You guys can see the lights have started blinking. Now we'll put the battery inside the compartment of the drone.
So Abhishek, can you give us a trial for this?
Of course.
So
Now, when we'll pair the drone with the remote, the lights will start blinking off.
here we go. Aryan, please come here. Looking good. Here goes the drone. See, it's going out of camera. Please Abhishek, be in range.
Okay. I'm taking out the lens.
So this is our drone.
Now I'm going to flip it. Just see the flip.
Oh,
Is it good? Now front flip, back flip, right flip, left flip.
It's so flippy.
It's so good. Aggressive as well.
Hovering over us. Here
Abhishek, please bring it closer, please. So it's well. Let me show you its close view. How it's looking. Okay, Abhishek. I think it's enough.
Yes. So now I'm going to land it.
So it's coming, and we are here for its
on the hand.
landing.